feel like a different person. What's good, everybody? My name is Will. I'm a natural hair expert. I teach people how to find themselves through hair care, okay? So it's hair care as self-care. On this episode of Beau-Tea, I'm gonna be spilling the tea on all of the innovative men's grooming products over at the beauty aisle in Walmart. First, we have this GilletteLabs heated razor starter kit. We also have this super cool tool here. It's called the Cut Buddy. And next, a hair serum from Scotch Porter. But first, go ahead and click that subscribe button and like this video because you don't want to miss out on future episodes of Beau-Tea. First up, we have something that I am super excited about. This right here is the GilletteLabs Heated Razor Starter Kit. It's the world's first heated razor. Okay, it comes with 2 extra 5-blade razors, flex disc technology, wireless charging, magnetic docking base, and it's also waterproof. Nice. Okay, so this is super sexy. Look at this design, it's super sleek. This is great for a few different reasons, right? One, I love when I go to the barber and I get like a hot towel treatment, but it also is pretty helpful when it comes to actually shaving your skin. It makes the skin a bit more supple, it makes the hair easier to shave. It heats up in less than a second. Also, look at that, okay? Get into that motion, yes. Okay, so that's that flex disc technology coming in. This just follows the natural contour of my face. And here we have, okay, it comes with 2 extra 5-disc blades. And then we have the charging dock. And look at that, voila, that is so cute. Okay, enough blabbing. I'm trying to shave, I'm trying to use this thing, so let's get started. And here we have the Everyman Jack Hydrating Shave Cream. It's for all skin types, it's super hydrating, so let's pop that bad boy open. Now, let's get started with the shave. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. Boom, and it glows red, letting you know that it's gonna be heating up. All right, this is the moment. Okay, let's go ahead and just start. Oh my God, it's truly warm. Huh? Okay, that was incredibly easy, incredibly smooth. It was warm with the heat, with the shave cream, with the contour of the flex disc technology. It's like, yes, okay, we are looking good. Now we can go in with the Cut Buddy. Use any razor, trimmer, pencil, or clipper to line along the curve. Let's go ahead and start. There's a few different ridges, so I'm just gonna draw with this pencil right along there. It's like going back to kindergarten where you had to color in the lines. It's so easy. I want to remind y'all that this episode is truly about men's grooming innovation. And what you just saw just now is innovative. Do you see this? Okay, so we got one more step to finish this thing out. We're gonna be using this hair serum from Scotch Porter. It's a serum, so like it's gonna be packed with the moisture, right? It's a concentrated version of any other moisturizer. A little bit goes a long way, and each bottle has about 2 to 3 months supply. I'm just gonna go ahead and comb my beard out just a little bit. Okay, we have this beautiful, beautiful comb from Cremo, which I've actually used before, but it also does not tug on your hair. I have coarse hair that gets pretty tangled, and this gets right through it. The teeth on this comb are truly non-abrasive, and it really just gets your beard looking good. Oh my God, okay, I look good, I feel good. Take a look at this before and after, okay? 3 easy steps. First, we used the GilletteLabs heated razor. Next, we used the Cut Buddy. And then the Scotch Porter hair serum. I feel like a whole different person now, and it's all thanks to the goodies that we found in the beauty aisle at Walmart. So that's the tea on this episode of Beau-Tea. Okay, I thought you had already subscribed, but I don't think you did. So go ahead and click that subscribe button if you want to stick around for more episodes of Beau-Tea. And if you want to shop any of the products that you saw today, go ahead and click the links down below.